Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with digital TV antenna, solar power prep, LED exterior lighting, double slides, generator, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, roof ladder, triple step entry, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, overhead storage, stainless double kitchen sink, LED interior lighting, LP leak detector, living area television, pull-out spray faucet, over-the-range microwave, smoke detector, USB charging station, fire extinguisher, bedside power outlets, 3-burner cooktop, bathroom toilet, king bed slide, rear bedroom, storage drawers under each booth, oven, overhead kitchen storage, high-rise faucet, bedroom television. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.